So Meta, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, they have this app that pays you just for using your phone. I tested it. I did the task. I earned 85 points in under 2 minutes. And I recorded everything. Look at this. $6 task, $9 task, $12 task. They keep going up. And here is something about this app that nobody explained it properly. And it almost made me quit before I figured it out. Look, I'm not here to sell you dreams. Nobody's getting rich off this app. I need you to hear that right now. But here is why I still make this video. I test these things so you don't waste weeks on fake apps that pays you nothing. And this one is made by Meta, like the actual Meta. So I had to see for myself. Does it actually pay, or is it just another app that's gonna waste my time and disappoint me like the last 10 I tried? And bro, the results were interesting. Let me show you exactly what happened on my screen. Okay, so first thing, you can't just download this app and start making money. That is the first mistake people make. You need a referral code to even get in. Without it, nothing works. The app just sits there. I hook you up with mine later, but let me show you what happens once you are actually inside. So I opened it up, and right here, it says tax available. I tapped on it, and basically Meta is asking me to share data about which apps I use the most. That's it. They want to study how people use their phone so they can make their products better, and they are willing to pay for that information. Now, here is what tripped me out. I read through the instructions, took maybe 30 seconds, and hit send info, and boom, 85 points. Just like that. I literally sat there like, wait, that's it? No survey that takes 45 minutes? No watching ads for 3 hours? Just send your data and get paid. Okay, Meta. I see you. But hold on, don't get too excited yet, because I need to show you the actual numbers. And this is the part that's going to make you either download this app today or close this video. Either way, you deserve to see the truth. Alright, look at this. Every 1,000 points equals $3, and you can't cash out until you hit 10,000 points, which is $30. So right now, I have got 85 points from one task. Now, you might be thinking, bro, that's going to take forever. And honestly, I thought the same thing at first. But then I saw this. Look at the tax waiting for me. $6 tax, $9 tax, $12 tax. The value goes up the longer you stay on the platform. Meta spaces this out every 3 days. So because they want real data over time, not some rushed nonsense. So the game here is patience. And I be real with you, when I first saw the 3-day wait, I almost deleted the app. I was like, no, this is too slow. But then I thought about it differently. I'm already on my phone like 5 hours a day, right? We all are. I'm already giving Meta my data for free through Instagram and WhatsApp. At least with Viewpoints, they are actually paying me back for it. Even if it is small, that is money I wasn't getting before. Now, here is the thing I had to learn the hard way. And honestly, if I have knew this from day one, I would have set everything up completely differently. Alright, so setting this up takes like 3 minutes, but I'm going to save you from the one mistake that had me locked out for 2 days. Retalk. Download Meta Viewpoints, free on Android and iPhone. Cool. Now see the screen right here. This is where everybody gets stuck and then floods my comments saying the app is broken. It's not broken. You need a referral code. Without it, the tax literally don't show up. It's like having a gym membership, but nobody gave you the door code. I got you. Check the pinned comment. Now this part, do this right now before you forget. Go to payment settings. See this. This is where your money actually comes through when you hit $30. It's a gift card. Set it up immediately, because I have seen people eat the cash out and then panic because they never configured this. Takes 30 seconds. Just do it now. And one more thing, your net tax won't show up for about 3 days. Don't panic. Don't delete the app. That is how Meta designed it. They want real data over time, not rushed garbage. Just leave it on your phone and forget about it until the notification pops. So here is where I keep it 100 with you. Is this app legit? Yeah, it's Meta. They are not out here scamming people for $30. That is nothing to a company that makes billions every quarter. Is this gonna make you rich? Come on, you already know the answer. No, but let me tell you how my thinking changed on this. Last year, I downloaded like 15 different any apps in 1 week. I was going crazy trying to find the one that actually pays. Most of them, trash. Ask every 5 seconds. Surveys that take 40 minutes and pay you 2 cents. I was frustrated. I almost gave up on all of them. Then I started paying attention to who made the app, not what they promised, who is behind it. And that filter alone saved me so much time. Meta Viewpoints passed that test. It's not flashy, it's not promising you thousands, but it's real and it pays. And here is the bigger play. This app alone won't change your life. But when you start stacking 2 or 3 legitimate ones together, now you have got multiple small streams coming in from stuff you're already doing. And more importantly, you are training yourself to spot real opportunities and ignore the noise. That's key. That's worth way more than $30. Quick recap. Meta Viewpoints. Free app by Meta. Share your phone usage data. 1,000 points equals $3. Cash out at $30. Task increase in value over time. Referral code in the pinned comments. Set up your payment settings immediately. If this help you, smash that like button. Not for me, but so the algorithm pushes this to someone who else needs it. And if you are not subscribed yet, honestly, what are we doing here? I test these apps every single week so you never have to waste time on the fake ones again. Subscribe. Bear. You know the drill, right? Drop I am in the comments if you're about to download this. And if you already tried it, tell me your experience. I read every single comment and I reply. Now, I have been testing a few more apps that works on a similar model. Real companies paying for real data. And I put together a few breakdown of which ones are actually worth your time. That video is dropping next. Tap it. Stay smart. I catch you in the next one. And you welcome.